Hello, I'm going to show you everything we've got in November's box. November's kit is to make a pair of Christmas trees like this. They come with all the stuff to make them in both white and silver and red and gold, but you've got enough in there to make two trees in the same colourways, or you can mix and match like I've done here. The box is absolutely jam-packed this month. It is full to overflowing, and there was a very tense moment where I was slightly worried it wasn't all going to fit. But we've got there, so that's the good news. You've got your usual set of instructions, and that's got all the diagrams and photographs in there to help you with your box. And then underneath that, you can see here's what the box looks like. So there's a huge amount that's gone into this month's box. And let me take you through that now. So I'm actually going to start at the bottom here, because underneath here you have got 2 sets of green pre-cut felt for your tree and 2 pieces of pre-cut brown felt, which is for the base of your tree. And then we've got all the component parts. So there is a string of gold sequins and a white fluffy trim, and that is for couching on if you want to create a garland like this. You have then got a piece of silver and gold felt, which is for the all-important star on top. There are 5 DMC threads in this month's box. So there are 2 light effects threads in silver and gold, and then there are 3 ordinary threads. You've got white and red for the colour themes, and then you've got the green, which is used to sew your tree up at the end. There are a few ancillary items as always. So you've got pins and needles. There is a piece of beading mat to stop your beads from rolling about all over the place. You've got card bobbins to wind your DMC threads on after they're done so they don't get tangled, and you've got a cotton reel for sewing on the beads. You have also got the stuffing for your tree. I promise you there's enough in here. When you take it out the bag it will puff up, and that will be enough to stuff both trees. And then you have got the absolute gems of the kit, the beads and the sequins, which is what creates all the sparkle. So let me show you these. So in this envelope here, this has got all of the really big beads, and this is a really exciting set. So there are crystal and gold dagger beads. Hopefully you can see those okay there. And these are nice long beads which hang down. You've then got 2 large sets of beads in crystal and red, and 2 smaller sets of beads in crystal and red. So that's everything you need for the really big decorations. We've then also got a set of sequins in here, so you can see all that sparkle there. So you have got red, silver and gold round sequins, and you have got silver and gold star sequins. And then you've got 4 sets of seed beads in this month's kit. So there are 2 different sizes and 2 different colours. You've got size 6 beads, which are quite large. And these are both in silver and gold, so these are quite big seed beads. And then you've got your size 10s, which are much smaller. And again, you've got these in silver and gold, but those are much tinier. So all in all, you've got a fab kit here. It's all pick and mix, so you can choose which bits you want to use, which bits you don't want to use, and which techniques you want to learn, and which bits are really going to create a design that is uniquely yours.